Well-maintained second-floor unit in secure building with charming original details plus convenient, modern updates, beautifully refinished oak floors, original glass/brass doorknobs, newer double-hung windows for easy cleaning, central air/heat, washer/dryer in unit, large rooms, high ceilings. Additional features include large balcony with porch swing, remote-controlled ceiling fan, private garage, and storage unit in basement. Co-op fee includes taxes, building insurance, water/sewage/trash, lawn services, and maintenance. On Quiet Street, only a few short blocks to Colley Avenue and 21st Street. Ask about details for $5,000 grant from PNC Bank for co-op financing.